Welcome to our instructional video on how to use our application. Here we will go through and explore every feature of the Plan to View platform. You may find shorter instructional videos that will guide you through specific issues in our How to and Frequently Asked Questions sections. Before you use our services, you should register. Press on the registration button in the upper menu. Please fill the information boxes to continue your registration process. Your username is the name you or your employees will use to connect to our services. Please have in mind that some names may be unavailable. Your email will be the prime communication channel between us. It will also serve as a place to restore your password if you forget it. Your password serves to protect your account. Please choose your country from the menu. Press the Register Me button. A new page of plans will appear and you will be able to choose between them. Make your selection by clicking on the button under the chosen plan. You will be redirected to the payment page. Please fill in your card details. A message for successful transaction will appear confirming your purchase. Should you wish to update or upgrade your plan, you may do it from the My Profile section by clicking on Plan Info. Once registered, you may enter our system by clicking on the login icon in the upper right. A dialog will appear. Enter your username and password. Click on Forgotten Password and follow the instructions if you wish to reset it. Otherwise, click Enter to log in the application. You will be redirected to your dashboard. From here you could conveniently access all aspects of our product. To create new project, click on the plus button. The page that opens will ask you about details on your project. To create a project you need only a name. However, you may find it convenient to fill in the other fields in the page. You may change the date of the project. Also, you may add the address of the property. Please be advised that this section will be visible to you only. The description of the project will be visible to your clients. You may add information about the property or other details like how to reach the broker responsible. After you fill the information, you want to click on Create. You will find yourself in the drawing area of the program. Here you can create plans of your properties and pin photos to them. If you already have a plan, you may upload it by clicking on the Add Plan icon button. In the Canvas option holder, that is the light blue rectangle, a Select button will appear. Click on it and choose the property plan. It will appear on your canvas. If you don't already have a plan, you may draw one yourself. In this video we will show you how to create a plan for a small one-room studio. This is how it would look just after few minutes, but let's start from the basic steps. The most common element you will use in drawing a plan is the rectangle. Click on it and it will appear on your canvas. You can change size by clicking on any of the semi-transparent squares and dragging it in the desired direction. You may rotate the element by clicking on the semi-transparent square above it and move your mouse. You may also drag the rectangle around the canvas by clicking on the selected element and moving your mouse. Should you wish to change the size of the outline, you may go to the option holder, enter the desired size and click on Change. This is the general dynamics of all graphical elements in the application. So to create the studio's plan, we will need 3 rectangles representing the living room with kitchen, bedroom and bathroom. Click on the rectangle button, change the size and move to the right. Repeat with the other 2. Align carefully, so the sides of the rectangles could be overlapping. Now is the time to put a terrace for the studio. You may use straight and curved lines to make it. To create a line, click on the button, move your mouse on the canvas and click. Drag the mouse and you will see a line appearing. You may straighten it by clicking on Make Horizontal or Make Vertical in the option holder. To create a curve, select that button. Navigate to the canvas and select the curve's main points. Click on Draw Curve and it will appear. Now the outlines of the plan are ready and you may start placing the other important features of the studio. Let us start with the doors. Select that button and a variety of door types will appear in your option holder. Choose the one you need and click on it for that door to appear on your canvas. As with the rectangle, you may change size, rotate and drag across the canvas. Place the door in the appropriate position. A useful feature of this application is the ability to copy elements that are similar. So click on the copy button. A new duplicate will appear and you may simply drag it to the position you want. Let's repeat it with the other doors in the studio. We will need 4 of them, 1 between the terrace and the bedroom, 1 between the bedroom and the living room, 1 for the bathroom and naturally front door. Then we could put the windows in. They have the same dynamic as the doors and other graphical elements. So you may shape and rotate them, moving them in the desired positions. You may put emphasis on the washroom and bathroom by clicking on the buttons and selecting the appropriate icon from the option holder. Click on the icon to have it appear on the canvas. Move it or change size as appropriate. You can always add your own icons from the Add Plan icon button. Lastly, you may put text. Simply click on button and text will appear on the canvas. Click on the text to change it. In this case we will make 2 of them. You may drag and rotate the text or change its size from the option holder. You may also erase some parts of the plan, or delete single elements. You may also empty the whole canvas, but we recommend saving it instead. Click Save and see the preview of your project. This is the plan of your property. Now it is time to attach the photos. Go to Add Photo button and click on it. A pen will appear in the canvas option holder. Click on it and move your mouse over the canvas. It will change shape. Click again on the spot where you want the picture attached. An icon will appear. Click on it. A new dialog will open allowing you to select the picture you want. If you wish, you may change the location of the pen picture, simply by dragging the icon around, or you may delete it by clicking on that option. Please note that to keep your canvas clear for editing and to prevent multiple selections, you may not edit the plan and the photos simultaneously. To see the photos, simply click on the Add Photo button to change between plan and photo. To see the preview of your project, click on Save and choose See the Preview. Take a tour of our project. If you click on the pictures, you will see our logo watermarked at the bottom. You may remove it or change it with your own. Please drop us an email with your chosen logo or send us a support ticket. When you are satisfied with your project, you may proceed to embedding it within your website or sharing it across different platforms. From your dashboard, navigate to the My Projects section. To use the full functionalities of a project, you should mark it as ready. Click on the V icon and it will turn green. To embed in a website, click on the first icon. A dialog will appear that contains the embed code. Click on the copy code and place it on your website. If you experience any problems with the embedding process, please contact us by support ticket or visit our frequently asked questions. Further, you may see the preview of your project by clicking on the second I like icon. A new page will open showing the interactive plan. You may copy-paste the link in various social and real estate platforms to popularize the property. The third icon associated with individual project is the Edit option. Click on it to go to the drawing area and add or remove features of your project. You have the option to download the project in different formats, including the floor plan and photos, by clicking on the fifth project icon. When you do, a new dialog will open asking to download compressed file with all the information for your project. Lastly, you may choose to delete the project once the deal is closed. Click on the X button at the end of the row and confirmation will be asked for this action. Click Yes if you are certain you want to delete it. From your dashboard, you may also explore the My Profile section. In it you will find options to change your name, password, billing information and purchase or renew your subscription plans. In My Basic Profile subsection, you may change your password and email address. You can modify your contact details in My Contact Info. By selecting My Invoicing Info, you can fill in and edit the details that will appear on your invoice. Should you wish to add more options to your plans, please visit My Plan Info. If you choose a plan, click under it and you will be redirected to the payment page. Fill in your card details and proceed if you wish to purchase the chosen plan. The last section on your dashboard is the support ticket. Click on it and you will see a list of all your previous support tickets. You can contact us by clicking on New Support Ticket. You will be redirected to a new page. Please write down the topic and detailed description of the issue. We will be back with solution within hours. Thanks for choosing Plan2View. We are at your service for any queries.